From an astronomical standpoint, 2023 left an indelible mark. The hybrid solar eclipse in April, the ring of fire eclipse in October, and the peak of the Geminids and Perseids on moonless nights were standout celestial occurrences. Nevertheless, the outlook for 2024 is poised to surpass even these remarkable events. In the upcoming year, we are set to witness 4 eclipses, encounter 2 bright naked-eye comets, and observe numerous planetary conjunctions that are not to be overlooked. Let's delve into a detailed exploration of the 5 most extraordinary astronomical events scheduled for 2024. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to ensure you catch every moment. 2024 is marked by the occurrence of 4 eclipses, with the total solar eclipse on April 8th standing out as one of the most eagerly anticipated events of the year. The path of totality, where the moon completely obscures the sun, will traverse North America, commencing in Mexico and passing through the United States before reaching Canada. Notably, this eclipse is a unique occurrence of the century, as the path of totality spans across the US, Mexico, and Canada. In the United States, totality is set to commence in Texas at 1:27 p.m. CDT and conclude in Maine at 3:35 p.m. EDT on April 8th. This particular eclipse holds the distinction of being the longest total solar eclipse visible from the US in the century, with a maximum duration of totality reaching approximately 4 minutes and 28 seconds. Looking back in history, the record for the lengthiest total solar eclipse dates to June 15, 743 BC, lasting 7 minutes and 28 seconds off the coast of Kenya and Somalia. The 2024 eclipse is set to have a duration approximately twice as long as the 2017 Great American Eclipse, which drew in over 20 million spectators. As the eclipse enters its total phase, the sky will darken, unveiling the corona, the outermost layer of the sun's atmosphere. Observers may also catch sight of Bailey's beads and experience the diamond ring effect just before and after totality. However, it is crucial to emphasize the use of proper solar viewing glasses during the eclipse. While totality will be visible from portions of 15 American states, a partial eclipse will extend across all 48 contiguous U.S. states. Additionally, there's a chance of observing Comet 12 Pepin-Brooks, also known as the Devil Comet, during this extraordinary event. Preceding the eagerly awaited total solar eclipse, a penumbral lunar eclipse is scheduled for March 25th. In a penumbral lunar eclipse, the moon merely grazes the Earth's outer shadow, known as penumbra. This results in a subtle dimming of the moon's brightness, though not as striking as the effects observed in a total or partial eclipse. The eclipse will be observable from a significant portion of the Americas, Antarctica, Alaska, and northeastern Russia. The third celestial event of the year unfolds as a partial lunar eclipse on September 18th, visible from regions encompassing the Americas, Africa, Europe, Antarctica, southwestern Russia, and western Asia. Of particular interest, this lunar eclipse coincides with the night of the year's first supermoon. Concluding the eclipse series for the year is an annular solar eclipse on October 2nd, visible from parts of Antarctica and South America. In an annular eclipse, the moon does not entirely obscure the solar disk, creating a small ring of fire around it. Thus, 2024 presents a remarkable opportunity to witness diverse types of eclipses unfolding in different corners of the world. 2. Devil Comet. A colossal comet, dwarfing Mount Everest in size, is hurtling towards Earth and is poised to grace our skies in the spring of 2024. Officially named Comet 12 Pepin-Brooks, its rather benign designation contrasts starkly with its more ominous nickname, the Devil Comet, bestowed upon its discovery in 1812. This celestial wanderer completes an orbit around the Sun approximately every 71.2 years. The comet earned its ominous moniker, the Devil Comet, following a noteworthy event in late July 2023. During this period, a sudden outburst occurred, releasing copious amounts of gas and dust, resulting in a staggering increase in brightness by a factor of about 100 virtually overnight. Remarkably, this marked the first outburst in 69 years, and as of November last year, the comet had experienced 4 eruptions. The outburst shaped the comet's coma into a distinctive form, resembling a horseshoe or possessing horns with a dark core and conspicuously bright wings or tips. This unique appearance contributed to its portrayal in the media as the Devil Comet. By the end of March, observers will have the opportunity to witness the Devil Comet in the western sky shortly after sunset. 3. Comet A3 Atlas. We find ourselves in anticipation of a celestial spectacle, as a long-awaited comet with a delicate trailing tail might grace our evening sky in 2024. Breaking the hiatus, a captivating comet is approaching Earth, holding the potential to surpass even the brilliance of the brightest stars in our night sky. Presenting itself as C2023, A3 Suchinshan Atlas Comet. A3 was spotted when it was approximately 1.1 billion kilometers away from Earth. Should the comet adhere to expectations, it is poised to become observable through small telescopes in the early summer of this year. By late September, there is even the possibility of it being visible to the naked eye or through binoculars, positioned as a pre-dawn object low in the east before sunrise. The existence of a tail during this period remains uncertain, contingent upon the comet's age and activity level. In the early days of October 2024, Comet A3 is set to approach the Sun closely from our earthly vantage point, rendering it temporarily invisible. 4. Conjunctions. In 2024, sky enthusiasts are in for a treat with several noteworthy close apparent encounters of planets. The first spectacle will be the Venus-Mars conjunction on February 22nd and 23rd. During this event, the two planets will approach each other within half a degree in the southeastern pre-dawn sky, situated in the constellation Capricornus. Although observing this conjunction might pose a challenge due to the planet's proximity to the horizon, Venus will outshine Mars, boasting a brightness of -3.9, while Mars will be relatively bright at 1.3 magnitude. A month later, on March 22nd, Venus will engage in a new celestial dance, this time with Saturn. Saturn will come remarkably close, passing within 1/3 of a degree of Venus in the southeastern pre-dawn sky within the constellation Aquarius. This cosmic rendezvous will offer a captivating view through a telescope, with both planets fitting comfortably within the field of view. 5. Occultations. Concluding the celestial events in 2024 are the lunar occultations of Saturn, captivating occurrences where the moon passes in front of and conceals a distant object like a star or planet from our perspective. Between April and December 2024, 9 lunar occultations of Saturn are anticipated, though only a select few will hold significant observational interest. The first, on July 24th, will be visible from parts of Africa and Asia. Following this, on August 21st, the second occultation will be observable from Latin America, the Caribbean, Africa, and Europe. On September 17th, viewers in parts of the US, Canada, Mexico, the Pacific, and Australia can witness the third occultation. The October 14th occultation will be visible from Asia and Africa, while the one on November 10th can be observed from parts of the Americas. In addition to these rare celestial events, the year will feature 3 supermoons and numerous annual meteor showers that enthusiasts wouldn't want to miss. For monthly updates on the astronomy calendar, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Wishing you delightful sky gazing, and thanks for tuning in.